Hi all. Till now, we have created a project where we have added a database in entities and we have added service interface. So today we are going to deploy that. We will add data inside the table. For that, we're going from Open HANA HDI container. So once we are into that HANA HDI container, we will add inside the table. We have created one. We have created 3 to 4 files to add in this table. So we are in face and world. Go to the table. We are going to add content inside the table. Uh, for that, I'm going to right click on that, import data, click on step 2. We are with default one. Okay, import from local. Okay, local, that means your system. Browse to go to that file. And first item we have selected about this is we are going for selecting Python item. Click on open. Click on step 3. Go to step 4. You have to be by default here. Okay, do not interfere with anything in the name as it is, and click on step 5. Here you have to select that error handling. So in case of any error, how to do you want the system to handle it? So we are with step 3. Show me the error row and let me decide. Click on review. So either you are going to review it or it's up to you, and then click on import data into data. So right now it is showing record error with 1. You are checking that error detail here, row number, number in file 27, and error message is SQL null. So I'm just click on the save successfully records, saved all records successfully records. Okay, import completed. So now if you are going to review or if you are going to see this, so just right click on open data, you will find the result. You can see. So that we have issue with 27 is not there, line number 27 is not there. Apart from that, we have added this detail here. So now we're going to add, similarly we're going to add other table or fashion type. So click here, import data, step 2, browse file, fashion type, open, step 3, be with default name, step 4, and then step 5, show me the error row and let me decide, and click on review. So if you want, you can review here, and then after click on import data into database. So there is no error. Now we are going to click on save successful records. I'm going to save it. So once saved, you will find import completed, view result below. So now we are going to show the data here, open data. You will find the detail here. You can see. Similarly, we have data for other. Now we have fashion world section. Let me check. I have created it for not import data for fashion world section. Yeah, we have created it for section. Click on open. Go to step 3. Be the default database table detail. Click on step 4. Check here that database content column property, and then step 5, show me the error row in the row. Let me decide. Click here, check the section, and then click on import into database. So now we have successfully imported save successful records. Similarly, we are going for currency. Let me check we have for currency or not. Yes, we have for currency. So we're going with currency. Go and step 5, show me error, and let me decide. Click here, import data. To successfully import the data, save successful the data here, and then we have the last one we're going to add. Import data. Step 2, choose the file, currency text, open. Step 3, step 4, and then step 5, show me the error, and let me decide here, review, and then click on import. Once imported, now click over the save record successfully. So once you click on the save successfully record, you are able to save that. And once you added the data, like once I have added all the data, required data inside the HDI container, we are going to uh, test this application. Okay, for that we will test this application, and if you want, we can deploy that also on the same basis. So I'm going to test it. So go to that business application app studio. I'm going to right click, open in terminal. So first I'm going to install the dependency. So to that, install. Oh, sorry. For that you have to write npm install. Okay, all the packages required, like related packages upgraded. Now we are going to bind this to run locally. CDS bind hyphen 2, and then you have to write the project that project name. So the project name is FashionWorldDB, and you have to enter the key. So I already tell you where we have the key to enter here. Control V, and then colon. Close this and go to the shared key. Yeah, here you can see here the key is shared dev key to access this. So I'm going to business application studio and write it here and click on enter. So retrieving data from Cloud Foundry, bind DB to Cloud Foundry managed services, Fashion World shared dev key with kind HANA Cloud, saving bind to this private Jensen in profile hybrid. Now we are going to watch this CDS watch profile hybrid. So once you do this, you will find uh, this is now you are going to access this locally. To access this locally, you have to click here, go to view, open command plate, and here you have to search port previews. Inside port preview, you will find that 4004. So once you go through this, you will see here that application. That's old one, right? It's old one. Go for file view command port preview. Go for 4005. It's showing that localhost host is 400. Let me anoint this, and then again let me run. I have unbind this. I'm going to so now we will find it is showing the old one. Let me check on the new one how we can get. For that, I think we have to unbind the old one and and open the new one. And I think let me check here. We have to go to that path. Let me check it and resolve this. I think we need to go to the path of old one. Okay. So the thing is why we are getting this is that all about we are open the terminal of old one because you can see here, you can see the terminal contain this one, right? I'm closing this terminal and that's my mistake. I'm sorry. Open in integrated terminal and this terminal we have to bind. I'm going to bind this. To bind this, we have to run the command cds bind hyphen to operation. You can go with the copied one version one, then colon, and we are going with set key. Now enter and to cds watch profile and rate. Now I'm going to get this right. Click here, view command line, port preview, and then here you can see that this is related to Fashion World. And click on Fiori. You can see there's no data showing here. So for that, I need to click here, check the column, click OK. You will find the data, right? So right now I'm going to uncheck this. Go to that application. You can see that successfully open that locally. In the next video, we are going to add annotation in that Fiori application. Okay. Thank you. Thank you.